So as always, in conclusion, at the end of the of this introduction, there's a lot to learn. There's a lot of things it can do. I hope I've given you some ideas of what the tabs mean, what the information means in a little bit more layman terms, how you're going to be able to use it, what the features are going to do, and it'll give you an idea whether to start a trial, whether to see if you can play around with it and go for it. As I say, from now I'm going to start doing the actual tutorials on how to do things, how to click here, how to create a journey, how to create everything. And everything in there will go into this free training course. I'll post everything on YouTube. I'll probably post the training on my Paul Nicholson training channel, not the introducing channel. I'll put some links below. But I'll put everything in this training course, right? I've already got all the official Zoho training, all the official webinars. As I record this video, this introduction will become the start of this training. And you can be able to ask me any questions within this training and within the Zoho forum. So in my website, on my forum, there's places where you can ask questions. We can go deeper. Marketing Hub's going to be here. It's going to be quite low down because I haven't added anything. Oh, it might not be actually, because I have started building it. Oh my, yeah, that's there, right? I knew it'd be at the top. So the Marketing Hub forum will match the training, and that's where we can talk a lot more and get you sorted. But ask any comments below. I'll try to help. I will get better at Zoho together because they keep bringing out these new products. It's almost impossible to be an expert because they keep coming out with new things, but we keep learning, we keep using it, and it's supposed to help our business, or it will help our business if we can work out how to use it properly, isn't it? So I hope this helped. If you've got this far, then please consider subscribing. It does help my channel. And if you've given the video a like, that would be awesome too. See you all soon. Thanks for watching.